Come side cutting piece now.
Stone clay, stone powder.
This is famous in Bhul. It's a typical sand which is available.
But is it only for serving or is it for cooking?
Cooking also.
Cooking too.
This is a
Very
pressure
nice.
This is a pressure
Very nice. And does he belong to that?
Yeah.
What is the tribe's name?
Ukru, Angkul.
Straight
Body, yes.
Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very soft, yeah?
Very soft and little close. Commonly we are using it in the hill areas. In the valley areas, this has been started.
Very nice. Does he have a catalogue of what he produces? What do you do in this? No more. Let me see.
Cooking. You can
Finish.
You can rice, whatever.
Very nice
can boil
finish,
it.
yeah? No wonder you're a artist, I mean, what do you call it? National awardee. Is he?
I will try.
Oh, okay.
And now he is going to apply for a national award.
You should apply. You deserve. Look at the work you've done. So beautiful.
Any pen stands.
Pen stand. But let me ask you, what is this? What do you use it
No,
for?
just to make chutney, you know.
Is this?
Yeah, here, grinding.
Where's the pestle?
Grinding.
Where's this pestle? With what do you grind?
I usually make by wood.
It's very nice. Look at this methodical. They've kept those little place where they stack the wood. And has a frontage like a Naga.
This is a Naga house only.
It is?
Yeah.
Same. Not bad. I could recognize.
Maram tribe. Maram tribe. All officers going down to the villages.
Please welcome Honorable Union Minister of Defence, Government of India, today's chief guest of the inaugural function of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2018.
President Ki, the election winner of Dr. Nazma Habtullah, Honorable Governor of Manipur, for the election period, ladies and gentlemen.
Next, may I have the privilege to call upon the dais Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh, to grace the dais as Chief Host.
Ngasi Thorungi Chief Host when election winner of the Loluk Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur.
Next, we have the privilege to call upon the dais Sri Y. Joykumar Singh, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur, to grace the function as guest of honor.
Matangasi Thorum Segi, guest of honor winner, Lengson Binanabakidamak, Ekai Kumnazana Kosanjari Vasili T.S. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Works, RDNPR, Commerce and Industries, Power, ARN, TRG, IPR Manipur.
May I call upon Sri L. Kumar Singh, Honorable Minister, Health and Family Welfare, Law and Legislative Affairs, Art and Culture, Kedah, Manipur, to grace the function as guest of honor.
Matangamuk, Dolum Seriba, Siri Karam Shyam, Honorable Minister, Consumer Affairs, Foods and Public Distribution, Wet and Measure, Revenue, Relief and Rehabilitation, Manipur.
Next, may I have the privilege to call upon the dais Sri Letpo Haukib, Honorable Minister, Water Resources, Youth Affairs and Sports, Manipur.
Matangasuri N. KSC, Honorable Minister, Tribal Affairs and Hill Areas Development, Fisheries, Manipur.
Menace connection.
May I call upon Sri Tej Syam Kumar, Honorable Minister, Mabut, Town Planning, Forest and Environment, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Manipur, to kindly grace the function as guest of honor.
Ngasigi Thorungi, guest of honor when election bidden of the Mamuk, Kosanjari Sri L. Dikho, Honorable Minister, PHED, Printing and Stationery, Manipur.
Next, may I call upon Sri V. Hankalian, Honorable Minister, Agriculture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Manipur, to kindly grace the function as guest of honor of today's inaugural function of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2018.
Matanamuk Kosanjari, Srimati Nemcha Kipkin, Honorable Minister, Social Welfare, Cooperation, Manipur.
Next, may I call upon Dr. Ranjan Sapam, Chairman TCML, to grace the function as guest of honor.
Matanamuk Kosanjari, Dr. J. Suresh Babu, Chief Secretary, Manipur.
Next, may I call upon Ms. Nidhi Kesarwani, Secretary Tourism, Government of Manipur, to kindly grace the function as guest of honor. May we have the officials for the felicitation.
Nasigi, that is the Lengson Deliver Dignitary Singima from the Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. Sinjariba Department ki Maiki Degi Langzariba Kudol Port Kudol Tamjanabagi Chapcharaba Matam Pumpham du Yokjarapagalunina Hariba Kudol Tamjanabagi Thorumsi Pakachage.
May we now request the Chief Secretary of Manipur, Dr. J. Suresh Babu, to kindly do the felicitation to our Chief Guest of today's function, Honorable Union Minister of Defence, Government of India, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, presenting a bouquet to our Chief Guest, presenting a traditional loirum of Manipur, a very symbolic gesture signifying love and unity. And a memento of Sangai, the statue animal of Manipur. May we request the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly present a memento to our Chief Guest of today's function. Ladies and gentlemen, a memento in the form of an oil painting of Ras Leela, one of the classical dances of India, the crowning glory of Manipur, from the renowned internationally famous RKCS Gallery, Imphal, is presenting to the Honorable Union Minister of Defence, Government of India, by the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur.
Asigi Manipur ki Chief Minister, Sri N. Biren Singh. Protresi Union Minister ki mapom da pudol tambire thagachok phungdu seri penana seihongwen pudol tamjabasi chanadan lai asisu miam mangda Manipur ki bhajarba tradition si lapacharaga pena invocation project miam mangda lantok seri Honorable Union Minister of Defence, Government of India, Masih Thorogi Chief Guest, Wibiribi, Matanga, Dr. Nazma Habdullah, Honorable Governor of Manipur, President Wibiribi, Syrian Prince Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Chief Host, Kadoinana, Dignitary Singh, Sarukya Biri. Nungsiraba moibonggi kolja lakta lang na chak lo maya sina. Adang sing ani sukta tanan ipan tukjari bimarak Manipur Sangai Festival. Pulau Palung da mapung phawa pani hena chaw na mai pa ko Sangai Festival oirasnu haina. Mapungi mapung jari.
President of today's inaugural function, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Srimati Nazma Habdullah ji. Chief guest for this inaugural function, Honorable Minister of Defence, Government of India, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji. Chief host of Sangai Festival, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh ji. Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Ministers of the Government of Manipur, Member of the Parliament, Sri Bhavananda ji, MLAs, Chief Whip, Deputy Speaker, Chairpersons of various organizations and local bodies, district dignitaries, the DGP, the senior officers of the Government of Manipur, officers of the IB, Assam Rifles, members of the print and electronic media, distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. Manipur, with its distinct cultural heritage, is blessed by nature with beautiful landscapes and weather that has a potential to be a world-class tourist destination.
I welcome Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Honorable Union Minister of Defence, for sparing time for a busy schedule and addressing this occasion as the chief guest. I thank her for accepting our invitation. This affirms her devotion toward the state. From the very beginning, she was with us and she will remain with us. It is indeed a privilege for me to be here in the presence of our distinguished guests, Honorable Madam Governor, the President of today's inaugural function. She now has become a Manipuri lady.
Your presence here in the state and in this ceremony tonight, despite your heavy engagements, reflects the love and affection you have for people of Manipur. Your precious time was of great importance for us. I would like to also convey my sincere gratitude to Dr. Najma Heptullah, Honorable Governor of Manipur, for being here today as President of the ceremony.
Nasidagi Hoduna Namitara Nisumna Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 Manipur ki tongan ba mafam singda pangthokpa hokre mapung oiba thoram mani hapta kangjibung da leiba vacation of an year theater da haudoki hariba festival asina Manipur ki top gun ale culture amasung sports ki tongan ba masat sing akoi hariba festival asida unna ba honari loinana koi ki helum amsung handicraft ki oiba tongan ba item kya su ulli hariba dumitarani ki festival asina Manipur ki top magun kaya bu ngasi ki mirol da takba soidana ngam lagani.
So Shanghai keeps running all the time. And if you keep running, you are fit. Now likewise, now people of Manipur, we should keep running. We must keep ourselves fit. हम Shanghai जैसा भागते रहता है अपने आप को बचाने के लिए और फिट रहने के लिए, वैसा हम भी अपने आप को बचाने के लिए अपना भागना है और फिट भी रखना है. दो मकसद है इसका. There are two purposes. And now we'll start. Honorable Minister is here. We all are here. We'd love to join you also as far as possible. How much our stamina allows us to join you, up to that level, up to that extent, we will join you. There are two groups. I was told that young boys and energetic boys and young girls, they will be running in two groups.
We are celebrating this very, very important festival in our state today, and in participation in commemoration of the festival, we are having this program today, Shanghai Run. And this is basically for bringing our people together, running together, bringing unity among ourselves, coming to know each other, having interaction, and have fun. And also we are running for unity, we are running for health. So we want to congratulate all of you who are participating in different ways, in running, in organizing, and all the people participating in order to make this festival a very meaningful and successful.
On your mark! Set, go! Go! Up to the end of the ground!